Hi there! In this video, I will be giving you a quick guide on how you can set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. Please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you to measure how effectively your ads leads to sales, sign-ups, or other goals. So first, you will have to log into your Google Ads before proceeding to the next step. So you make sure that you already have it all set up so that you will be able to do the steps that I will be saying. So first, yeah, after you log in, you will just have to click the tools and settings icons at the top right corner, which you can find right here once you are already logged in. And then under the measurement, you will select conversions. Then you will click the plus icon, new conversion action button. Then you will choose the type of conversion you want to track. For example, website, app, phone calls, or import. And then follow the on-screen steps to name your conversion, set value, and configure tracking options. And then copy the tracking tag code provided and add it to your website or app as instructed. And click done and then test the conversion tracking to make sure that it's working correctly. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.